it hard on me. 16 years, yeah, you straight gone from me. A young man searching for a father figure, and my brother stepped to the plate as a father figure, and he showed me how to be a hard nigga. Sell crack, bust guns, yeah, even rob niggas. Yeah, there ain't nothing I was proud to be, but where I come from, niggas dying constantly. Brightmo, the home of the brave heart, and at any given time, man, it guns sparse. I think they found another body up a Stoker Park, and the trust in the lawyer fade in the dark. Couldn't trust nobody, so I play my part. Set trip and get air like a silent fart. Shit, it's just the same shit, different day. I'm trying to make $1 out these pennies, hey. And I'm all in these damn streets. A nigga like me, man, I gotta eat. Lord, please give me safe passage while I'm ducking and dodging off through this traffic. Keep me away from the snakes and the basket. I'm on the glory road, all
Let me tell you a story about a young man trying to make it through life with no handouts, fighting the struggle. I hope it fans out. Head full of dreams, he lay his plans out with all these doubts. Is he gonna make it with all his passion? He destined for greatness. Mama left him alone, he ain't even know the basics. Dad had his back but had to get up out the matrix. Had to leave the spot, stop slinging rocks, just to make sure the infant meal was